Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix Discord JavaScript error cannot find module. To begin, right-click on Start menu, select Task Manager. Now select the Discord process, click on End Task. After, enter Control on the search box, click on Uninstall a Program option. Here, select Discord. Click on Uninstall. Wait to uninstall Discord. After, right-click on Start menu. Select Terminal Admin. Select Yes to open the terminal. After this, enter the command Gpupdate/force, press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After, in the search box, enter %appdata %. Click on File folder. After that, select the Discord folder, click on Delete. The next step, in the search box, enter %localappdata %. Click on File folder. In this place, select the Discord folder, click on Delete. Finally, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Click on Download for Windows. When the file is downloaded, double-click on it. Select Run and wait for Discord to install on Windows. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.